There are a few things to make cars look better these days. In the early days, we used to get, if a car hadn't sold or anything, you'd put pinstripes up it, perhaps fog lamps on, stripes on the bonnet, you name it. But they all take time, especially the graphics, just to improve the look of a car. Now, I saw these, I've seen them on BMWs driving around, and I saw them on Amazon, so I decided to get a kit. It's the M Sport grilling sets. So here we go. This is how they've come. Let's just, I think it'll be that one. So that clicks on there. That clicks on there. And that clicks on there like so. And honestly, I've never seen such a huge improvement in the front of a car. As I say, I've seen them on other cars driving towards me and so on, and especially the ones with the black grille. It just breaks the front up. You can see here from that one to that one now. I'm quite impressed. I'll put a link to them in the description, and you can get them for everything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 series. And this grille looks so much better than, of course, the new ones that they've got today, the massive ones. But that's it, a couple of seconds, and I think it transforms the front of the car. So anyway, thanks for watching.